My name is Rabea. I'm a wood turner and wushi lacquer artist based in Kaga Onsen in Japan. I've come to Japan 4 years ago from Germany, and I studied how to do wood turning and lacquer work here in Japan. I currently make wooden bowls on a Yamanaka style lathe, so it's a specific lathe to the area here, and I then lacquer them, which makes them last a lot longer, and it's a 9,000-year-old tradition that's been used to make tableware. And the work that I do, I ship internationally and exhibit in Japan as well. I think starting to work with wood has changed my sense of fashion a lot. I've always cared a lot about materials and just good objects, stuff that's repairable, long-lasting. But now there's definitely an enhanced sense of functionality, and what I wear day to day is much more something that any moment of the day I could go to the workshop and start making something. Even though the craft culture in Japan is still probably one of the most flourishing ones around the world, it's also really struggling. So I think there's a great chance of coming here and learning the local crafts and learning from the way that people work with the materials. I find that especially interesting to spend a lot of time listening and not enforcing your will on the material you're using.